everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we'll be working in the kitchens and learning how to make butterbeer. We'll attach a recipe in the video description up top also. The things we need for this recipe are 4 cans of cream soda, butter and vanilla extract or flavoring, salt, butterscotch syrup, heavy whipping cream, sugar, measuring spoons and 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon, measuring cups in 1 cup and 1/4 cup sizes, small mixing bowl, a spoon, your hand mixer with a whisk attachment, the regular beaters will work too, small pitcher or a bowl can be used, and lastly 4 glasses or cups. We're going to start by making the whipped topping. We'll need our mixing bowl and the 1 cup measuring cup. We'll use this to measure out a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we'll take our hand mixer and whisk or beat on medium to high until it thickens. We'll check it now and it looks like it's still soupy, so we'll keep going. So after we've been whisking a couple minutes, it looks like it's thickening up. So now we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon each of vanilla and butter flavor. Now we'll go back to the mixer for about another minute. We want it to be thickened but not completely to the point of stiff peaks. Okay, we'll stop here. It's starting to hold its shape, but it's still fairly soft. Now we'll work on the butterbeer. We'll start by adding 1/4 cup of butterscotch syrup to our pitcher. Next we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon each of vanilla and butter flavor. Stir that up until the salt is dissolving. Last, we'll add in the cans of cream soda. Now stir gently, we don't want to lose all the carbonation. For our last step, we're going to add several tablespoons of our butterbeer to the whipped topping. You'll do this until you get a consistency you like. I added 3, but feel like it could have used a couple more. Then stir to combine. Now we can pour the butterbeer into our glasses. We want to leave 1 inch or 2 at the top for our whipped topping. Next, spoon on the whipped topping. And our butterbeer is done and ready to enjoy. See you next week.